how to configure as Azure File Sync. First, we need to create a folder on the C drive. New folder, right? Getting reports. After created that, come to Azure portal. So make sure you are created your free account. After in the right side navigation pane, click on storage account. Create. Then select the subscription and then the resource group. So I create new GMC file group RS for resource group, GMC RS for resource group. Click OK. This storage account, GMC storage 1, storage share 1. Okay, so not available. So 24 GMC working. Okay, so GMC networking storage, that's the storage name. And then the location or the region, I choose the default Asia Pacific. I choose the standard, the general purpose version 2 account. And then next, preview, running the final validation. Just wait for a while. Just wait. Okay, and then create. So initializing deployment. So just wait for a while. Okay, deployment in progress. So done. So GMC networking is created successfully. So we need to check. So came back from the storage account. Need to refresh. So this will be show here our new created storage account. Just to refresh a couple of times. Okay, deployment succeeded. So we need to refresh, refresh. Need to refresh more. To refresh here. Here the one we are created the storage account. We need to click that one. And then from the above, you need to scroll down and select for the file share. Click to that. Then create a new file share. Name GMC GMC file share. Tier for optimize and create. running the validation is passed, and then create. And then here are new file share. If we need to click, here it's GemC file share. Click on that. After that, we need to upload some files. Load, browse the desktop. We need to create a new sample file. So I create a January reports 2024. Click OK. Click on that. Open. And then click upload. So successfully uploaded the files. We need to close on that, and we need to refresh. Then we can connect on that. After connect, we can select your operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and then select the drive later. So this will be connected to this one, and then we can show the script. This script will be based on our server, so we need to copy in that. Copy, minimize in that. Select Windows IC. Then new, paste our code, and then select run the script. While the script is running, okay, the credentials added successfully. And then we created a file sync on our server. So we need to verify. Click on File Explorer, this PC, and here we map the drive from Azure File Sync. So we need to open that so we can see the January reports. Next, we need to configure the Azure File Sync. Back to Azure portal, home, search for Azure File Sync. Click on Azure File Sync. Just after a while, and then select the subscription. The resource group will be GMRS. The storage service name. So I JMC File Sync, and then ACE Asia. Review and create. Create. Validating the deployment. So we just wait for a while while validating our Azure File Sync. After this done validation, so we need to go to resource group. Deployment validation succeeded, and then submitting deployment in progress. You can see deployment in progress is in progress. So we need to wait for a while, just a few minutes. Just wait for a while. And then your deployment is completed successfully or completed. Then we need to go to resource group, then gmcrs. We need to refresh, and in order to reflect here our new created file sync or the Azure file sync, we need to refresh. We need to refresh. Okay, refresh. Uh, We need to refresh a few times in order to see here our newly created file sync. We need to refresh, refresh. Just wait for a while we need to refresh in order to come up GMRS, and here the GMC file sync. We need to click on that. Click. After that, click on the sync group. So click on the sync group, add sync group name. So I need to Azure GMC sync group. Select the subscription, the storage account. We need to select the GMC networking storage. Click on that, and also Azure file share. So create the GMC file share that created earlier, and then create, and the sync group creation succeeded. After that, we need to register server. Click on the registered servers. Need to refresh. Now there is no registered server yet, so we need to download our Azure file sync agent to install to all servers you want to sync. To click on that. After that, need to download storage sync agent for Windows Server 2022. We need to select the storage sync agent Windows Server 2019 because we are using a 2019 server. Click on that and then download it. After that, we need to open file in order to install the Azure file sync agent. Next, next, next. We need to use the existing proxy settings configured on the server. Next. We need to use the Microsoft update. Next. So the update, I will click install. We need to wait while installing the storage sync agent. After installation, we need to configure our account. Status. So we need to fast track in order to view this one. Okay, the installation completed. Click finish. Date, checking for update. Azure File Sync Agent on the server is up to date. Click OK. Okay. Select the Azure Cloud, or if you're in the China, you can select the Azure China Cloud, or the US government, you can select that, but I select the Azure Cloud. Sign OK. After that, we need to enter our account. So after that, okay. Next, we need to select the Azure subscription. I have the Azure subscription one, the resource group for GMRS, and then the storage account for GMC File Sync, and register. Okay, and then we need to, our server is successfully registered. We need to close and back to Azure portal. We need to refresh. So here, our server is online and registered successfully. Then go to sync group. And here is the Azure sync group. Click on that. And then after that, we need to add server endpoint. And then select our new registered um, server. So WSDC2 gmcnetworking.com. Select the path that will be sync. So back to File Explorer, this PC, C drive, and here is the marketing reports. We need to double click on that, and then copy, and then paste here. After that, wait. Server endpoint creation is in progress. And now the server endpoint creation successfully. The health is pending. The persistent sync errors is 0. Waiting for initial uploads to start. Waiting for the initial download to start. Cloud tearing space is disabled, so this will be these spaces. We need to refresh. So the health is pending. Now we are now done. Configure the Azure file sync, and also we are done how to map. This will be the alternative if you are not using a file or the VPN server for your files. So this will be good. Also the alternative ones. Then we need to check if this will be sync totally. So we need to click the storage account, GMC storage, and then the file share. We need to click on that, GMC file share, need to browse. So we have one GMC reports from the file share. We need to refresh in that. Gen report, this will be from their desktop. Need to refresh, and then I'll try to add some here. January reports. As you can see, the January reports 2024. So click come out, and then from our marketing reports from C drive, so from our January reports 2024, so we need to edit this one to February, so this will be imported, and then I'll try to create a Feb reports, new Feb reports 2024, and then that one, and here need to refresh. Okay, refresh again, refresh. Now the new file is created, so this will be January also, February reports. So our file sync are successfully implemented. Now we need to try this one if this will be uh, shared from our client PC. So before that, we need to click connect, and then the view script and copy in that. Now I am here from our client PC. We need to paste that. So right click, terminal or PowerShell admin, and then try to paste in that. After that, press enter. Okay, credentials added successfully. So we need for wait for one. Okay, and then after created successfully, we need to map this location, this one, in our client PC. So File Explorer, and this one we need to paste. Click enter, and now here is the file or the report. The report itself we have created, or the file Azure File Sync. And the client PC, we need to click add new text document. I need to create a March reports 2024. We need to check if this report will sync to our Azure cloud storage. After that, we need to move to our Azure. Here, I am here from the Azure. Close that one. I need to refresh. As you can see, from the client side, I actually created the file and then sync to our Azure file sync. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.